just look at this. I don't think I've ever seen the Mall so quiet. There's literally hardly any cars whatsoever. So St James's Park is here. And one of the most famous buildings in the world, Buckingham Palace. Hi, it's Tim. Welcome back to my channel. As always, please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, hit subscribe and turn on that notification bell. I wonder if that's real gold. So we know if the Queen is in residence because the flag will be flying, which it is. There's not much wind. You can probably see it. It's just there. So the Queen is in residence. It's very quiet around here today. Let's go right to the front gate. If you've been watching The Crown on Netflix, it's really good to come here because you get a really good insight. And here we go to the front gate of Buckingham Palace. To be honest, I've been a little bit obsessed watching The Crown, and so being here is making me a little bit starstruck outside the main front gate of Buckingham Palace. And if you think about the history and the events that have happened on the balcony just in front of us, you know, it's really amazing. The building is just so grand and impressive as well. And you can see there's 4 little huts, and there's a beefeater just there. I think that's what they're called, beefeaters. Let us know in the comments below. There's normally 4, there's just 2 today, and there's still some Christmas trees up as well. There's the flag flying, you can see it now. I wonder if anyone can tell me if that is real gold up there. I'm sure if it was, someone would try to nick that. It's got to just walk up here. This is in the middle of just in front of Buckingham Palace actually. We'll turn around and have a great view in a second. Just going up these steps. Look at that. As the sun's going down. I think this is marble. Yeah, it is. As we turn around and see it in the distance, look at that. And then as you walk around here, there's the Mall going all the way up into London. And well, you can't really see it, but Big Ben is just over there, and you've got the Millennium Wheel just over there. Weirdest shot ever of this foot and a seagull making lots of noise, of this soldier just sat there. Look, isn't that amazing with the sunset in the background? It's Queen Victoria there. Look at that in the sunshine. Someone must have to go up there and polish that. It's absolutely amazing. I have to say though, we're here at Buckingham Palace and these bikes that you can just rent around London, you can just leave them anywhere. And I will show you, look, where people have just left bikes. You basically download an app. These bikes are called Lime, I think it is. And you just leave them wherever you want and then pick them up again. So if I download the app, I can hire one of these bikes, but then they've just been left here, look. Outside Buckingham Palace. There's no water in there today. So this was filmed on the last lockdown, and you can just see how quiet London is, and especially the Mall. I don't think I've ever seen it this quiet. So in front of Buckingham Palace is St James's Park. Look at that black swan, that is so beautiful.
It is a little bit cold. It's only about 3 o'clock.
I got any food for you? Hop, hop, hop. Aren't you beautiful?
As beautiful as birds go.
It's like warning everyone off, like, I've got no food. And it was amazing to see in St James's Park the parakeets and the squirrels that are literally everywhere. They really do look out of place here in England. I had to double take, but it also says do not feed them, which this lady is clearly not listening to. So just quickly want to go back in towards central London to show you one of the oldest restaurants in London and possibly in England as well. This is Rules, and it has got so much history. Dating back from 1798 is when the first restaurant on this site opened up, and it has had such a long history. And even on the first floor by the lattice windows was once the most celebrated table for two in London. It's also where Prince of Wales courted most of his girlfriends that never came to be. Is that real gold? This is such a unique building, and once it's open again, I'm definitely going to show you around the 3 floors. It is so beautiful inside. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure you follow me on socials at WalkWithMeTim, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. You can become my Patreon as well and help support the channel. A massive thank you to all of my Patreons. And if you would like to support the channel again, you can do it through PayPal by making a one-off donation. Thank you for all your support. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.